Yo, what's up guys? Welcome back to the channel, and in today's video I'm going to show you guys how to report a bug or issue within the Cleo app. Now, have you found any glitches? Reporting bugs helps Cleo to improve for everyone, and you might even get a thank you perk. So let me show you guys how to do it. The first step is to open Cleo and tap settings. Now, settings is usually found by tapping your profile picture. So just tap that, you're going to see settings. Step 2, choose report a problem or give feedback. This is typically listed under the support or help section. Step 3, fill out the report form. Now you're going to explain what happened, including what you were trying to do, what went wrong, what device you're using, and stuff like that. Step 4, attach screenshots if possible. Now, visual proof can help the tech team to fix the issues a lot faster. So you want to make sure that once you're catching these bugs that you have them called via screenshots so you can provide them to the support team. Step 5, submit the report. Now, you're usually going to get an acknowledgement within a day or two. Reporting bugs keeps Cleo running smoothly and shows that you're part of the community making it better. That's pretty much it for the video, guys. Hope you liked it. Hope you found the information here useful enough. If you did, like the video, comment down below, let me know what you thought. Share the video with your friends and subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already, and we'll see you in the next one.